Misfolding of tau protein and its self-assembly into paired helical filaments is a pathological hallmark of Alzheimer's disease and other tauopathies. Here we present a robust tau aggregation assay that could help elucidate the tau pathogenesis process.
The conversion follows all steps of a nucleation-dependent polymerization process and is highly reproducible, allowing drug screening in a more rigorous format than methods available to date.
The quality of reagents is crucial. The recombinant tau needs to be highly pure and devoid of aggregates and/or fragments.
First, turn on the computer and the multimode microplate reader. After allowing the equipment to stabilize, start the software and select Standard Protocol as the protocol type. Set the temperature to 37 degrees Celsius and select Preheatment before continuing the protocol. Next, set the kinetic runtime to 50 hours and the measurement interval to 15 minutes. Set the orbital shaking to 425 cycles per minute in continuous mode. Following this, select the read method as fluorescence intensity, endpoint kinetic monochromators. Set the excitation wavelength to 440 nanometers and the emission wavelength to 485 nanometers. The optics position to top and the gain to 80. Select normal read speed and set the read height to 4.50 millimeters. Then validate and save the protocol.